Hello designers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fatma Nuzaili. I create tutorials for architects every week, so if you're new here and you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe. As I promised you in my last tutorial in which we've created a parametric model, today we will continue and add materials, create render images and a short video using Paint 3D. This is the final parametric model which we've created last time, and we will export to 3D Paint, but before that we have to attach all the elements to get one object. Go to the modifier list and add Edit Poly. Select Attach Elements by list and select all the elements together. Now go to File and select Export. Browse your file and open it. What you see here is 3D Viewer, which is a very useful app. Now go to File, select Open with 3D Paint. This is 3D Paint in which we will add the material. From the top ribbon, select Sticker. Press on Add Sticker. Browse the material image and select it. Now drag the image to the model and change the size to cover the entire object. At the right panel, we have some settings. For example, we can change the transparency of the material. Also, we can change the reflection mode. I will make it glossy only to show you this effect. Now, to finalize, click on the stamp button and press here to apply. It's quite easy and fast using this app. Besides, we can add some 3D models from the existing library. Go to the top ribbon and click on 3D library. For example, we can search for plants. There are many choices. I like this aloe plant. Now go to the front elevation, rescale the plant, then select and move it to the center of the table. Go back to the perspective view through this button. Place the plant in the right location. And use the right click on your mouse to orbit around the model. This is the final model. We've added the material and also a nice 3D plant. I think 3D Paint is a great tool for designers. Now, let's change the background. From the top ribbon, select Effects. As you can see in the right panel, we have many colors. And we can also adjust the lighting through this light wheel. You can try these colors and choose what you want. Here you can see the reflection because our material is glossy and we can control the glossiness display from the light wheel. Let's go back to the light background. Now go to Menu and select Save As. Here we can save it as Image, 3D model or video. Choose video. At the right panel, we have many types of animation, like turnable, swing, jump and turn. You can try them all. But for a piece of furniture, I think turnable is the best. Also, you can change the speed from here. And determine how many times the object will repeat the animation by selecting the number of loops. Here at the top, you can choose the file type. We will keep it as MP4. And finally, click on Save. These are the renders and the video. As you can see, the result is quite nice, easy and quick to create. Finally, this is all what you need to know about Paint 3D to start work with. It comes free with Windows 10. You can use it in your design presentation. It's not the best way to create renders. However, many professionals use it in their projects as a quick way to display ideas during the design process. In my next tutorial, I will show you how to export this parametric object to AutoCAD and prepare the shop drawings needed for the manufacture to create a final product which you can use or sell to somebody else. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out my next video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next week.